gentlemen, I want you to look your best at all times, and in order for you to do that, you will need to own some specific essential grooming items. Therefore, I'm going to go through 6 grooming essentials that every man needs so you can look your best at all times. Let's not waste any more time and let's begin. I shouldn't need to explain why this first item is an essential item, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm talking about an electric toothbrush. I've mentioned this a few years ago and I've gotten a lot of hate for it because a lot of you guys think that it's unnecessary for this to be an electric toothbrush, but I'm going to tell you once again, if you haven't changed over to an electric toothbrush from a normal manual toothbrush, what are you doing? Change over instantly. You will not only brush your teeth more efficiently and more accurately. Your breath is going to smell better, your teeth are going to be less stained, have less plaque. Gentlemen, if you haven't switched over to an electric toothbrush yet, get your ass in your nearest electronics store and purchase one immediately. Just get a simple electric toothbrush. This one was around 15 bucks, so they really aren't that expensive nowadays. I want your teeth to look as bright and as clean as possible. Switch over to an electric toothbrush if you haven't already and thank me later. This second item was a game changer whenever I first got it, and that is a metal tongue scraper. I don't know a lot of guys who even know that such thing exists and why they should actually use one. The reason I want you gentlemen to own a tongue scraper, specifically a metal one, is because I have had both a plastic one and a metal one, but I find a metal one to be better and more effective to use. I want you to own one because the majority of the bad bacteria that make your breath stink gather on your tongue, specifically at the very back of your tongue. So therefore, I want you to invest in one of these. These cost around 10 bucks, if not even less. This will change the way that your breath smells and the overall oral hygiene of yours. I think this is going to be a game changer for a lot of you guys, and again, thank me later. The third item is truly an essential and has been for generations, and that is a simple razor. This one that I'm holding here is a Gillette Mach 3 razor, which I have had for a lot of years now and I still like to use it. I typically use one of these if I want to completely get rid of my beard, which I don't do a lot, but I know that a lot of guys who rock the clean shaven look will most likely need one of these. I want you to invest in one of these so you can rock the clean shaven look if that is your style, or overall to maybe shave some body hair off, or if you want to remove some hair on your neckline to overall make your beard look better. Get yourself one of these if you don't have one. It's a no-brainer. Number 4 is also going to do with shaving, and that is an electric trimmer. This one that I have here is a Philips OneBlade. Whatever electric shaver you're going to purchase will do the trick. The main reason that I have this one for is to sharpen up my beard to make it look fresher, sharper, and overall better. I've made a video how you can freshen up your beard and fix your beard up fast, which you can check out up here in the corner. But I overall use one of these if I want to shave some of the hairs on my neckline, or if my beard starts to look very bushy and make my face appear rounder, to reduce the volume and the size of my beard so it looks sharper, younger, cleaner, and more lean. Therefore, I want you to invest in one of these, not necessarily this one, but an electric trimmer, so you can make your beard look amazing every single day. This 5th item is going to be essential, and a lot of you guys might not even know that you need this. And I'm talking about a nose trimmer. You are most likely going to grow some hairs inside of your nose, which will be very disgusting to look at if they become so long that you can see them when just looking at your face. So in order to remove them in a non-painful way, I wanted to invest in a nose trimmer. This one was around 20 bucks or something, and what you do is turn it on and stick it inside your nose so you can get rid of those nasty long nose hairs. So whenever you're out and about with your friends or with a girl perhaps, she's not not going to have the discomfort of seeing your nose hairs if she ever comes close. Trust me, gentlemen, you don't want that to happen ever. And a nose trimmer is going to guarantee that it's not going to. And the sixth and final item is going to be a pair of tweezers. The main reason that I wanted to have a pair of tweezers is to remove some of the eyebrow hairs that you might have in the middle here, so you don't have a monobrow whenever these hairs in the middle become very visible or very long. You don't want to shave off these hairs because they're going to grow out faster and therefore making it a bigger issue than it might already be for some of you. So use these primarily for your brows here. Gentlemen, these were 6 essential grooming items that every man needs to own in order to look his best every single day at all times. If you enjoyed this video, gentlemen, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the Men's Improvement YouTube channel for more videos about fragrances, grooming, style, fashion, skincare, fitness, watches, everything that will make you, gentlemen, the best possible versions of yourselves. The last thing that I want to ask you, gentlemen, is to smile more because it's free, and I want you to watch these 2 videos right here. This one below is going to be my latest upload, whereas this one up here is going to be a YouTube video that the YouTube algorithm thinks you will enjoy.